Today I'm going to talk about very important topic, which is confidence. Because confidence is very essential, confidence is very important to becoming the best version of yourself. If you want to become the master of any skill, you need to be confident. So if you want to master on communication skills, you need to be confident. So how does confidence come? So courage is the first step towards confidence. If you are courageous enough, if you don't have self-doubt, then definitely you are on the path of becoming a confident person. So what is self-doubt? Self-doubt means that you don't have belief in yourself, and you don't believe in yourself that you can do it. Nothing is impossible. You can make it possible with your conviction, with your passion, with your belief, with your practice skills. Every skill needs practice. If you want to become a new version, a best version, you need to do practice on any skill. If you are learning English language skills, if you want to become fluent in English speaking skill, you need to do practice, because perfection is the product of practice. If you do practice constantly, then ultimately you will become fluent in English speaking skill.